Please, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to our channel and turn all notifications on so you can receive the latest updates about the videos. Thank you. Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass the FRP for Huawei P8 Lite. Okay, so this is using EFT Pro, as you can see. So it's straightforward. You choose Huawei FRP, reset FRP using fast boot, and you put the phone into fast boot mode. And to do this is you first need to switch off the phone and then hold power and volume down together for about 5 seconds. Then it's gonna go into fast boot mode. Once that's connected, you just press start, and when you press start it will read you all the information, IMEI, all the stuff, and connecting to server, then unlocking device, resetting FRP is done. Okay, this whole thing took about 10 seconds. Okay, it's a straightforward. Then it will reset the phone for you, and that's it. Okay, this is reset is done. Shut down. Okay, now we're gonna switch on the phone. Okay, just like that, the FRP is now gone. Okay, just to be on the P8 Lite. You just do another factory reset just to be certain. Okay, thank you for watching.